Here I will show you how to take a third-party camera app and make it work like the stock camera app, opening the camera on the right-hand screen and the Microsoft Photo Gallery on the left-hand screen. I will be using the Gcam Greatness version for this. Find the icon for the app, press and hold, and you'll have a pop-up. Select Groups, then go down to the Photos app or whichever app gallery you might want to use. Select that, click Done, and then you will want to swap to have the camera on the right and the Photos app on the left. Then click up in the New Group app group area and give it a name. I already have a name that I want to use. Click OK, and that part is done. Now all you need to do is open the grouped app, and you have camera on the right and gallery on the left. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a like, share, and please subscribe.